Hey guys, so I have all the information we need for our next unit. So, what our seventh graders will be learning this week or the next couple of weeks is plant cell function. And so, different parts of the cell, their functions, and how it works in their cycle. So, all of this will be a whole reflection of Blooming's taxonomy and the different parts of it. So, I definitely have covered this as far as utilizing the different levels of it and making sure that we are challenging our students to have a bigger understanding of this. So making sure that we're maximizing that knowledge base. Okay, so first what we're going to be utilizing is the remembering portion of the taxonomy. And with this one, we're going to be having them make flashcards of their vocabulary. And then I have a vocabulary list that they will be filling out as we are reading the chapters. So making sure that that is double down, because all of that vocabulary obviously is very important to utilize and learn for this subject. What we also are going to be doing is utilizing the understanding and applying portion of the taxonomy for this unit as well. So what this is going to do, or what we're going to have them do, is explain in their own words what each part does. So making sure that they have that kind of deeper understanding of what those different parts are. And then we also are going to have them, and we can have them type this out as well, is have them, what are the differences between the cell of a plant and a cell of an animal as well. So that way they know the differences, that there are things that plants don't have and there are things that plants do have that are similar of the plant or the animal cell. Our next one that we'll also be doing is creating a diagram and having them explain what the pattern of the plant cell cycle is. So what each part does and how does it cycle in nutrition, how does it cycle out nutrition. So making sure that they have a full understanding of that, all of those parts work together and as a team, and they all have different functions and important pieces to the plant cell. So that part is analyzing in the Bloom's taxonomy. So we want to make sure that that is in there as well. And this will have them either write out or type out, and then making sure that they have each part. Our next one is evaluating. So what we're going to end up doing is we're going to first teach them how to utilize a microscope. With that, we're going to be teaching them the different parts, how to utilize them, how to keep them safe, how to keep the kids safe, and making sure that those classroom expectations are number one when we're utilizing the microscopes. And then with that, we're going to be having them fill out a diagram as they are not dissecting, well, kind of dissecting, but looking, prepping a slide and looking at a plant cell. So that way they are absorbing that information and doing hands-on, because that's always super fun, especially with microscopes. So that's another skill that they'll be learning as we're doing this unit. So something definitely fun for the students and very much engaging as well. And then the last thing that we're going to be doing is creating a plant cell with many different varieties of things. So we're going to do this as a group. They can do, make it some cells out of different varieties of candies. They can make it out of different types of pastas. So they can be so creative in doing this. They can make it with recycled waste. So let the students be creative with this. They do need to label the cells, and we're going to end up having them present them. So this will be definitely a group project. And then I'll send you guys any of the materials needed for this. If you guys have any questions, email me. But yeah, this will be so much fun. Thanks.